Question 2. Zoe is collecting books to donate. She started with 3 books and collects 2 more each week. She's using the equation B equals 2W plus 3, where B is the total number of books and W is the number of weeks she's been collecting books. Name the independent and dependent variables, then create a graph to represent how many books Zoe collected when W is 5 or less. We also need to complete the table. This time, they've given us the equation. So you want to ask yourself, is the number of weeks leading to the number of books that are collected? So does how many weeks passed determine how many books she's collected? Or does how many books she has determine the date, or how many weeks have passed? In this case, we know that weeks passed determines how many books are collected, which tells us to put weeks, W, in the left column of the table. That's the independent variable. And the number of books, B, in the right side of the table. That's the dependent variable. In the graph, you'll want to have weeks at the bottom, and you'll want to have books on the y-axis. You can title your graph something like Books Collected. Now, in order to complete the graph, you'll want to first complete the table. They're asking us about the first 5 weeks. And we already know the pattern based on this equation. She collects 2 books per week, and she started with 3 books. That's all the information you need to complete the table, which will then allow you to complete the graph, and you've already named the independent and dependent variables.